Xiaomi's Redmi Note series has long dominated the budget to mid-range segment, offering impressive specs at competitive prices. The Redmi Note 14 continues this tradition, but does it stand out in an increasingly crowded market? Let's break down its design, performance, camera, and battery life to see if it's worth your money. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Alright, let's jump right in and explore the Redmi Note 14 together. Let's begin with the design, which immediately impresses with its premium yet practical construction. The Redmi Note 14 features a sleek polycarbonate back panel with a textured matte finish that resists fingerprints, paired with a surprisingly sturdy, high-strength aluminum frame that gives the phone a more premium feel than its price tag might suggest. With a remarkably slim profile at just 8.2mm thin and weighing in at 196 grams, it sits comfortably in hand without feeling bulky. Xiaomi offers the device in 4 eye-catching color options: the classic midnight black, vibrant ocean blue, fresh lime green, and sophisticated mist purple. Practicality hasn't been sacrificed for style though, as the phone comes with IP54 certification for dust and splash resistance, providing that extra peace of mind against everyday accidents. This thoughtful combination of form and function makes the Redmi Note 14 stand out in its price segment, offering a design that looks and feels more expensive than it actually is. Moving on to the display, the Redmi Note 14 truly elevates the viewing experience with its stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display, boasting an ultra-sharp Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels that delivers crisp, vibrant visuals. What makes this panel exceptional is its buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate for seamless scrolling and gaming, combined with an industry-leading 1800 nits peak brightness that ensures perfect visibility even under direct sunlight. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, the display offers enhanced scratch resistance and durability for everyday use. Adding to the premium experience is the fast and highly accurate in-display fingerprint scanner, which provides both security and convenience. Whether you're binge-watching content, gaming, or simply browsing, this display sets a new benchmark in its price segment. At its core, the Redmi Note 14 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra, a capable 6nm octa-core processor that delivers impressive performance for its class. This energy-efficient chipset handles everything from daily productivity tasks to graphically demanding games at medium to high settings with surprising fluidity. The device comes equipped with 8GB of physical RAM that can be virtually expanded by an additional 8GB, ensuring buttery-smooth multitasking whether you're switching between apps or running memory-intensive applications. Running on the latest HyperOS 1.0 based on Android 14 with 4 major Android upgrades, the user experience is both snappy and intuitive, with thoughtful optimizations that enhance overall responsiveness. While the thermal management system keeps temperatures in check during normal use, extended gaming sessions do lead to noticeable warmth around the chipset area. This carefully balanced hardware configuration makes the device an excellent choice for users seeking reliable performance without breaking the bank. Xiaomi's camera setup on the Redmi Note 14 presents a mixed bag. The star of the show is undoubtedly the 108-megapixel main sensor, which captures impressively detailed, vibrant shots in daylight with solid, dynamic range, perfect for social media or casual photography. However, the decision to include 2 largely redundant 2-megapixel sensors, the macro and depth camera, instead of an ultra-wide lens feels like a missed opportunity, as most users would benefit more from wider framing capabilities than these low-resolution specialty cameras. In low-light conditions, night mode helps salvage usable images, though don't expect flagship-level refinement. Noise and softness become noticeable in challenging lighting. Video capabilities are limited to Full HD at 60 frames per second, and the lack of built-in stabilization means footage can appear shaky without a gimbal or steady hands. For selfies, the 20-megapixel front camera delivers decent results, though aggressive processing can sometimes lead to unnatural skin tones. While the camera system is competent for everyday snapshots, enthusiasts or content creators may find its limitations frustrating. Xiaomi could have made this setup far more compelling by swapping the filler lenses for an ultra-wide shooter and improving video stabilization. The Redmi Note 14's massive 5,500 mAh battery is its unsung hero, effortlessly powering through a full day of heavy use, whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or multitasking. When it's time to recharge, the 33-watt fast charging delivers impressive speeds, juicing up the phone from empty to 55% in just 44 minutes, perfect for those moments when you need a quick battery boost before heading out. While the lack of wireless charging might disappoint some, the combination of exceptional battery endurance and rapid wired charging ensures the Redmi Note 14 remains a dependable companion for even the busiest users. This is battery performance that punches well above its price point, eliminating range anxiety while keeping you productive and entertained throughout the day. Now here's my final verdict. The Redmi Note 14 stands out as one of the most compelling budget smartphones of the year, delivering a near flagship experience where it matters most. Its stunning AMOLED display, with battery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, robust MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra performance, and exceptional 5,500 mAh battery life make it a powerhouse for everyday use. Xiaomi has once again demonstrated its mastery at packing premium features into an affordable package. However, the phone isn't without its shortcomings. The lack of ultra-wide camera, with macro and depth cameras, feel like afterthoughts rather than genuine photographic tools, and the software experience is somewhat marred by persistent bloatware. These compromises remind you that this is, after all, a budget device. Yet for most users who prioritize display quality, smooth performance, and all-day endurance over camera versatility, the Redmi Note 14 represents outstanding value. It may not be perfect, but it comes remarkably close to flagship territory at half the price, a testament to Xiaomi's ability to redefine what budget smartphones can achieve. If you can live with its few compromises, this phone is easily one of the best choices in its price segment. Speaking of price, you get this device for 649 dirhams here in Dubai. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!